Coming home after a long day, I feel my skin is overworked and very stressful. As an artist, I wear makeup almost every day, which leads to clogged pores, and then it results in a lot of acne. My skin is a combination skin, which is also very sensitive. So recently, my dermatologist suggested me Bioderma Sebium range as my skincare regime. And believe me, it has been a game changer for me. Every day, I use their Sebium gel mousse, which cleanses my skin without feeling dry or stretchy, followed by their Sebium Hydra Moisturizer, which by the way, is an excellent makeup base. My skin is intensely hydrated and keeps all the blemishes away. Oh, also, I never go to bed with the makeup on. So for that, I use their Sebium micellar water. It easily removes the makeup and pollutants without damaging my skin. Bioderma gives my skin the respect it deserves.